viewers, welcome to my channel, your channel, my lovely viewers, your channel somycrafty. I'm here with an elegant crystal beaded rings tutorial. I hope you would like it. I'm using a multi-shaded stone in this ring. It's a different pattern ring from those all rings which I uploaded in my beading tutorials. Today's tutorial is different. I'm using multi-shaded stone in my crystal ring. I'm using Bicones and silver seed beads. Very nice colors matching combination. You would like it, or you are watching things, materials which we need for this rings making. So now let's start. We have picked 4 6 mm white pearls, and we have to make a double knot here, which we are making to make it secure. After making double or triple knot, you can make triple knot if you want to make it more secure. So after making these knots, we have to start properly. It's We have to add here. We picked one silver seed bead eto. We will add it, passing our 6 mm pearl. We have to add 4 times. We have to add 8 eto seed bead, silver seed beads. Very nice colors combinations. You would like it, and a very elegant look. At the end you will see we are making very nice ring. So we have beaded 4 seed bead eto between our pearls. Now we have to add here 4 seed bead 11 plus 1 seed bead eto silver plus 4 seed bead 11. We have to pass through seed bead etos which we beaded in start of earrings making. We have to pass through these beads. In this way we have added these 9 beads. Now we again picked 9 beads, 4 seed bead 11 plus 1 seed bead eto plus 1 plus 4 seed bead 11. And now in the same way we will add these beads. We have to add 4 times the same beads in the same number, passing through seed beads, silver seed bead eto. Very easy pattern, no difficulty, no confusion. You can make it easily after watching this tutorial, but it's very elegant ring, very elegant ring. So we have started next process. Next step, we added 1 seed bead 11 plus 1 bicone plus 1 seed bead. Now for the second time we are adding 1 seed bead 11 1 bicone 3 mm 1 seed bead, and passing through seed bead eto. We are adding these beads 4 times. We have to add the same number and the same beads, bicones. Light pink color bicones we are using with clear white seed bead 11. Now here it's the time to fix or set our stone, chaton stone, which you can call, we call it I'm here we have to add this multi-shaded stone. We place it between our beads center beaded part, center beaded part. We have to place it, and now we have to pull the thread of center beads, bicones, and seed beads beaded before. So we will pass through. We have to reinforce these beads, and to make it secure, we will pass from all these center beads, bicones, and seed bead, 11 and 8, which are around this stone. We have to pull the thread, and we have to pass thread again, one or two time, 2 or 3 times. We will pass through all these beads. We have to pass our thread to make it secure, and we will pull it and it tightly to fix our stone. So we have done. Now we are proceeding further. We are going to seed bead 8. Here we pass through seed bead 8, silver seed bead 8, and then from pearl we pass a needle. Now we have to add here, when our thread is coming out from pearl, we are adding one seed bead 8 with one bicone, and then again with one seed bead 8. Total 3 beads we have to add, passing through pearl's hole, 6 mm pearl's hole. We are passing through these pearls and adding 3 beads, 2 seed bead 8 with 1 bicone. We have to add this number, these beads 4 times. Now we are starting here. We are starting rings band. We pass through. We added 3 seed bead 8, passing through bicone, light pink bicone, and now we are adding, passing through these seed bead 8 silver seed beads. We have to add more 3 beads. In this way we are working in a right angle weave. We are making our rings band in right angle weave, and we are making our rings band with silver seed beads 8. It's very matching color. It's these beads are matching to our crystal ring, so I have selected these beads to make our rings band with these beads. So silver seed beads are looking very cute, elegant. The same beads we use in our rings making, rings upper part making, and now we are making our ring band with same beads, silver seed bead 8. So we have to complete working on the same pattern, right angle weave. We have to complete. So we have completed according to my ring size. I have made these boxes in right angle weave with silver seed beads. Now we have to join it on the other end of our ring. On the other side we are adding 2 more seed beads with passing through bicone. We added 1 silver seed bead, and now again we are adding 1 more silver seed bead 8 to complete our rings band, to join it here. In this way we have joined it. We will pass through these beads again our thread to make it secure 2 or 3 times. We have to pass the thread here to make it secure. And now it is almost complete. We have to make now finishing knots to complete our rings making process. Here we are passing thread again to make it secure. Now making knots, finishing knots. We have to trim extra thread here. Find threads corner with flame of lighter, and now it's ready, it's done, it's ready to wear our cute, elegant, sparkling, silver sparkling ring. Very nice, very elegant, delicate ring. I hope my lovely viewers will like it, and if you like it, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe somycrafty, your own channel. I like your comments, so don't forget to comment on my videos. I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye. Lots of love.